Now let me start it from Yama. Yama, Niyama. There are two sets of laws which an aspirant should follow. A set of laws applied to his individual self, and another set of laws applied for the society. You are an individual. But at the same time, there are other individuals. You cannot live without relationship or interaction in the world, no matter how much you isolate yourself. Suppose you say, I am studying yoga for myself and not for anybody else. This attitude will lead you towards egotistical way of life. So yoga, from the very beginning, has large, expensive approach, wide approach towards life. You are not meant for yourself only. Today you think that whole world is meant for you and you can use the whole world, and you want to use the whole world for yourself. The approach of yoga is dual. If you have this philosophy that whole world should be used, and you have capacity and you have ability and you want to use the whole world for yourself, then you should also understand that you are meant for the whole world. So let you learn to adjust yourself in a way so that you know how to use the things of the world and at the same time live, learn, do your actions for others. Here I am bringing the sutra Abhyas Vairagyabhyam Tannirodha. It's not possible for anyone to live happily. We live in the world. This is not called living. This is miserable way of living. Every day crying, under the pressure of fears, under the pressure of agony, stress, strain, and then we live. That is not considered to be living. You yourself will feel that you have created an island for yourself. You yourself understand that you have isolated yourself. There is something wrong somewhere, but you do not know what it is. Because other aspect of life, which is related to others. Life means relationship. It's like a coin. One side is life, another side is relationship. You cannot say life is not relationship. A Swami who is considered to renounce the world and has nothing to do with home, with wife, with children, with honors and name and fame, he still has relationship. What relationship has he got? His body is related to his mind. His body, breath and senses are related to his mind and soul. How can he say he cannot live without relationship? So Patanjali was very cautious not to put word sannyasa in it. Vairagya. Vairagya means you are doing your duties, yet you are not attached to the things therein. You see, I will devote a separate lecture, a day, for this one sutra. Patanjali said, Abhyas and Vairagya, philosophy of non-attachment, if properly, accurately practiced, you can attain samadhi. One word he says. You can be free from the influence of the vrittis, even from nidra. How can you sleep peacefully if you have to attain something in life? I'd never consider myself adept or a great Swami, but I cannot sleep. The moment I nap, Someone says from within, have you come to this world to sleep? What do you do after death? You sleep for a long time. You remain in unconscious state. You have come to the conscious state just to attain something, regain something. Something terrifies me, fearful something. I'm wasting my time. I'm wasting my energy. I'm in haste. See, wake up. I look at the watch and clock and see that it's not yet 3 o'clock, which is my time. It's only 2:30. Then I feel half an hour, I'm getting more. Come on, sit down. You see? Because I have that fire within. I have seen all the joys of life, best of the things were given to me in the world. Nothing could satisfy me. This is my confession. Immense wealth in the family where I was born, abnormally rich people. Huge mansions and castles. Best girls in India were shown to me. Good education was given. Nothing could satisfy me. Because my sanskaras, living with other swamis in the mountain, in the cave, they said all the time, if you have not attained yourself, if you have not known yourself, what good is this? You are a stranger. You are a stranger to yourself and you are introducing yourself to others. Are you not phony? Are you not cheating yourself? You are cheating others and you are cheating yourself. So first task is to know thyself, and yourself can be known by attaining a state of tranquility and equilibrium. And simple method is to systematically go ahead. That's why it's called science, because it has system, it has particular system. First is Yama. Can you remember the students here? Which are the Yamas? Come on, one of you should get up. I've been teaching you for a long time and you don't remember? What? What are the first 4 ranks? What is Yama? What are those restraints?
It's Ahimsa.
No, what are the firsts? What are Yamas and what are Niyamas? I will fail you teachers if you don't tell me. Ahimsa, Satya, Brahmacharya, Aparigraha, Sauch, Santosh, Tapas, Swadhyaya, Ishwar Pranidhana. These are 8, first 4 and last 4. Which makes Niyama and which makes Yama? Surely get up and tell me.
Which makes Yama?
What is Yama?
Yama's the restraints.
What are those?
You want the 5 of them?
Yeah.
Ahimsa, Satya, Asteya, Brahmacharya, and Apagari.
This is Yama.
I mean,
Is this Yama or Niyama?
Yama.
Yama.
Tell me Niyama now.
Satya, Santosa, Tapas, self-study.
Swadhyaya. Okay. Now, I am teaching you to know yourself, but Patanjali first tells you to practice yamas which are related to other. Why? Then it means there is contradiction in my lecture, but not. Patanjali says from the very beginning, a human being should be aware of other human beings, existence of others. First he should learn how to behave, how to act,